Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about Venus affliction in Gemini and Cancer, and then reaching the debilitation as per declination. Declination of Venus is 8 years, and as per after 72 years of independence, Venus comes over Venus, and then it stays in as per declination 8 months. So it is almost about to reach the debilitation point. And it has been observed in the past that Venus, since the Lagna Lord and the 6th Lord of the India Foundation chart, whenever it is afflicted, it is a time of agony and pain. I have already written an article on this. This was written on 20th July for the enigmatic changes in the political level and the signification of Venus. And because Venus gets debilitated in the 5th house of the India Foundation chart, being the 5th house being the Virgo sign, so it is reaching that as per declination. So we will observe everything regarding Venus, and we have seen whatever is happening in the present scenario is all connected to Venus. Maybe it is the film industry, maybe it is the entertainment industry, maybe it is the education institutions. We all are suffering. Jupiter, the Karka for education, is also afflicted in a most afflicted condition. It is retrograde, it is in Rahu Ketu axis and fallen. So friends, all the 5th house signification are suffering the most. And talking about Sushant Singh Rajput's death mystery, Venus opens all the secrets. Now Venus was with Rahu, and we all know the drug rackets are being exposed. I had written this in my previous article in July that the signification of Venus will be exposed and so many scandals will come out, and it is proving spot on. And after the 1st of September morning at 2 o'clock, Venus joins the Cancer sign, and again it is aspected by Mars and Saturn, and it is also having Itzal, an inimical Itzal with Saturn, Mars. So it is not good, and it is showing that so many things will be exposed. And not talking about main thing, the Venus affliction also shows, as I have written and predicted, that the head of the states may also suffer, enigmatic situation, and especially in the case of Maharashtra and Rajasthan, you would see for itself, and especially for Maharashtra, because the way the case has been handled as mentioned by media. So let us see what all happens, but I can tell you that a lot of things will come out of the bag and they will soon be exposed. You read my article, I mention all the dates, and you see for yourself, especially the point when Mars goes in Gandanta, when Mars was in Gandanta on when the case was referred to Supreme Court for whether it is to be given to CBI or not. Mars was in Gandanta. So whenever Mars goes in Gandanta, lot of things will be exposed. Mars will the signification of Mars, whenever Mars changes its mode, it is changing its mode on the 9th of September. It's going in retrogression, and 4 days before that it becomes stationary. So from 5th to 13th, it is most venomous time for this Sushant Singh Rajput case, because so many things will be exposed. And then when it is about to fall back in the sign Pisces, again it will be in Gandanta on the between 2nd of October to 6th of October. So these time frames in the immediate future, and then when it again goes in Aries after the 24th of December, again it will be in Gandanta. So friends, between 22nd December to 26th December again is the time frame. So this is what I just wanted to mention, that these time frames are more critical, and lot of things will be exposed, lot of people will be trapped, and you see for yourself till the time Venus is afflicted. Venus is afflicted till 27th of September. So friends, and then Mars is going to get afflicted, and when Mars is going to go in Gandanta, all the things will be exposed. You will see for yourself. This is what all I just wanted to share. So friends, these are my predictions, and you will see that they will come out true. Thank you, and thank you for listening to me.